wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against my thing. Suck on a mama.
It's good YouTube. Gang, it's a boy John Biscuit. I'm back with a hit and a smash and a bang. You already know what time it is. Yeah man, people, from you see from the title, you see what we are dealing with today. Yeah man, people, I'm here with, you know, with some top underground, well not the underground, some top dancehall artists that's actually new to the channel. These artists haven't reacted to any of their music before, except for one, which was a feature on another artist song. Okay, but yeah, this song, you know, apparently is been burning up the charts and been running the ground, you know what I'm saying? And apparently IQ, Stalk, Kranium did a remix for Bun for Bun. Yeah man, and they dropped a video like a day ago and it's really doing numbers and people seem to love it. So I've been asked to check it out and give my feedback, you know, react to it. So we're gonna check it out today and see what's going on. Before we jump into vibes, people, I ask that you please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. Guys, the likes really help with the YouTube algorithm. It helps push my videos out there and help my channels grow. Okay, so I really appreciate it if you can hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, so go ahead and hit that like and leave a comment. Drop your flags, you know, name of your country, the city you're watching from. You already know, guys. You already know, so I can give you a shout out. Yeah man. Well, yeah man, today guys, today we're checking out IQ featuring Stalk, Ashley and Kranium, Bun for Bun remix. Yeah, Zimmy, check it out and see what I go on. So we're not with the vibes no longer. Let's get it. Stalk, Ashley's a pretty girl still, not like.
Scratch mixed it.
Kranium,
I'm stuck here.
it's the
Stop me, me never stop.
Pretty piece of girl, man. Stalk, Ashley, well, go on.
when your money cheating, baby come we can fuck on him. We know we keep it a secret. Make him know say I'm me a fucking.
Yeah, I'm not lie still no people, although I don't condone this type of message, you know. Not at all, I don't condone the cheating thing, not at all, on either side, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, any woman that give you the thing for your dash, man. Yeah man, a garbage that man, no jokes, but can't lie, it's a well made song. But like the flow and the melody well put together. That delivery is hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's real smooth. Some take away a girl type thing, which what the song is pretty much about. You know what I'm saying? But I don't condone the bun thing. But you know, go on with you.
Bun for bun, get time for have fun. Left your man and come for round.
Girl, you round up so girl.
Bun for bun, get time for have fun. Left your man and come for round.
If my mind is G.
Ashley. You need to link up here, B. Yeah, man. Real nigga.
And him not deserve this. So the fuck you only serve one purpose. But I want you just to fuck your feet, hurt them. Hey, I will fuck you just VMC. Death come stay on the sheet. Here's my phone, I can't record it. Wait till
Yeah, see your phone, I can record it. Mama, I say, alright, now catch you in a 4K. Yeah.
I said the cat right in my play me delay. I bet him know him not for ramp with my feet.
When your money is cheating, baby come we can fuck on it. We know we give it a secret. Make him know say I'm me a fucking. Bun for bun, get time for have fun. Left your man and come for round. Bun for bun, get time for have fun.
Nah, lies, a wicked up man, wicked tune man, I like it for the delivery. Yeah man, I know a girl them love this film, I know a whole of wicked girl them love the tune, you know. Yeah man, you see all the girl like, nah, wicked, we stop it. But go on.
Left your man and come for round. Skin it out and give me now, but me greasy Chris for you.
Kranium.
Underneath your face so good, me can't believe my cheat by her. She a bounce in her breast for the wall, so deep but she taking it all. And she don't give a damn if he idiot boy in my car. But she a go
Easy, Kranium on it. Hey, easy. Beautiful. The black queen there, you know what I'm saying?
mash up him, when he say you a sit down by a new cocky head. All the money make you stay over there with your poker face, cause him something smaller than a shred. When your money cheated,
that I say wicked is dog. The girl are wicked. I tell the man say, oh the man, oh you are man, a wicked girl man.
we go fuck money. We no big keep it a secret. Make you
Girl, Ashley, a wicked girl too, you know, I can see it now. I love the song too much, you know, background a dance and all. You love the song too much, Ashley, a wicked girl, yo. Yeah, man.
know say me a fucking. I say, bun for bun, get time for your fun. Left your man and come for round one. Bun for bun, get time for your fun.
All the man them when I sing that tune, I hope you know, so when the girl go to bun and remember, say, I want to sing the song, yeah, hear about bun for bun. I want to always condone them. And I girl them, you see me? I wanna put them cremades and I girl them head. You see me? When you sing about them foolish and the girl and take it up and then and start run with you and then you start feel it and come ball and don't ball. I wanna start, I wanna condone the bullshit. So you make sure the girl know say yo, if you get a man bun you're garbage. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, them girl are junk man. You see me? And then the man where I deal with the same if you cheat on your man, my girl and the girl out there cheat on your man. See man where I fuck you. The man they know no generally say you're garbage, but the man know say yo I better use this man, just go and rev it out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Left your man no come for round. Tell him say you want to cheat, girl. Don't give a fuck about how he's feeling. Cause when your man want to cheat, him don't give a fuck about how you go feeling. Hey, hey, don't waste time. Come with us fuck on FaceTime. Come with us show him how you get him be a back shot.
Alright, okay. Okay, I'm in a sense. So I go for the girl on FaceTime. You dep on some virtual sex, brother? How you dep on? Or now go live together on FaceTime? How you dep on? What kind of virtual thing about on FaceTime? What you do? You beat a meat, brother? Why for that, man?
And waistline, come with us. Come and show him, baby. Come and show him that you fuck on him because I'm fuck on you. When your money cheated, yeah.
See? You want the girl show her man say yo Ray. Say yeah beat her because him the cheat. You see, man like if you get a chop off, you know. But you gotta say yo right girl supposed to want to prove what you want force the girl to prove that for. Cause drama you want. You come like a bitch.
We go fuck on him. We no big keep it a secret. Make him know say I'm me a fucking.
What? Making was it doesn't go just a little.
Bun for bun, get time for your fun. Left your man and come for round one. Bun for bun, get time for your fun. Left your man and come for round one.
Go on the dog. Hey, you better not come ball, no. You better not come ball because you better kill sitting you with that, man. Tell you. I run. You gonna people, I run. And she sit down there. See all them foolish, yeah? You girl a jankro. And you gonna war the next man. I eat that girl over there, so the fake weave. If you grab her by her blow, fake weave and flash her and make her know herself and kick her out of your house. You gotta run down your man. You run down your man for. Even though he might eat that still. You see me? We run him down for. She, if you deal with, give her some box and them things, they come out of your house. You see me? Make you know herself. You gonna run down your man. I could junk over this cause of that. You see me? If I name for she, the man couldn't in her place. Unless you had fish and you give him a key. You see me? I she if you deal with her run down your man.
When your man give you bun, my girl, yeah, you know you can come.
Really? See that me don't understand what you know. We don't want to fight on one when I get the problem. I the girl the problem, you know. Cause you don't even know what you have phones for the junk over there, so. You see more time than girl fi dead, man. Big man thing. And somebody be like, oh my god, it's so violent. Me the business. Yeah, man. Tomorrow man fi dead. Bad too. Yeah, man. Cause you don't keep be a fool. You shouldn't keep up and feel like say, oh, it's alright. Cause no say, oh, the man not gonna do no, man not gonna lick. So I need some box and kick you on the face, man. Yeah, you see me? I mean not be it man, but someone don't deserve that for real, no joke. Don't know if you know on yourself. Big man team. But anyway, people, that was IQ, Stalk, Ashley, and Kranium, Bun remix. Yeah, see me people, me know anything about the one that drop on the fire emoji, garbage charge emoji. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what's your favorite part. Was the flow, the beat, the melody, the lyrics, the actors, you know, the artists. Let me know what's your favorite part. And if you like it, definitely go to show the artist some love and support. You know, it's a Jambisco Sentinel. You already know, guys. Yeah, man. Drop no flags, country you're watching from, you know, and your city. Yeah, and let me know what you want me to react to next time. I'll definitely get it done. You already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco is here with my hit and smashing up banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.